Hey guys, what's up? In this video I will show you how to get free Tinder Gold on your Android or iOS device. It is a very simple method and I've discovered it after many days of searching, and it is the only working way to get free Tinder Gold as of 2019. And I'll show you that currently I do not have Tinder Gold, as you can see, but by the end of this video I will have free Tinder Gold. So let me show you the method. Open up your browser, Safari or Chrome, and go to tindergold.live. tindergold.live, guys. Let's wait for it to load. And as you can see, it is a simple landing page, straight to the point. It will help you get free Tinder Gold, and all you have to do is, depending on which platform you are, iOS or Android, you'll choose here your platform. Of course mine is iOS, so I'll choose that. And sometimes we have to complete a verification. This is to prevent bots from abusing the site and selling free Tinder Gold for money on the internet. So we don't want that. Let's keep it free by downloading and opening two apps for at least 30 seconds. You can choose any two apps, it does not matter, as long as you keep them open for 30 seconds or more. I chose this app first. Just a second. I'll download it. And now let's go and choose another app. Let me see. I'll choose this one, but really guys, you can choose any offer or app. It's up to you. As I've said, yours might be a bit different, but if you want Tinder Gold, we have to pass this simple verification. So let's see the first step, the progress. Okay, we'll have to wait a bit. And as I've said guys, this is the only working method to get some free Tinder Gold. I've tested this method on another device and I wanted to show you that it works on this device as well. Let's wait a few more seconds. And now let's open it, and of course we'll play the game for at least 30 seconds to pass the verification. Let's close this trial and let's start. Yes, I do not know how to play solitaire well, excuse me. And we already have an ad, great. Let's see. And I think that should do it. Now let's move on to the second app. Let's see. And here we have no progress. Let's choose another app. Let's choose this one. But guys, I really recommend to speed up the process, to download and open multiple apps. You can even use your friend's phone or your family's phone, it does not matter. Just keep them open for 30 seconds. And this will download shortly. Just let's wait a bit. As you can see, the tutorial is very simple and straight to the point, no headaches, and at the end you will get your free Tinder Gold. Okay, let's open it. Let's skip the trial and now let's play some blackjack. And that's the method, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.